Sunfire rolls. Let's begin the filling of Sunfire sushi roll. Shred the crab sticks. Add mayonnaise and sriracha sauce mixed well. For topping, cut fresh fillet any type of fish and fresh tuna cut into pieces. Then marinate with mayonnaise and sriracha. Mix well and set aside. For assemble the sushi, freshly cooked rice. Add rice vinegar. Let it cool down. Time to roll sushi. Place the rice on rough side of seaweed. Put the filling crab sticks and avocado. Roll slowly the sushi. Press the roll using the bamboo mat gently and cut the roll into 8 pieces. Place the roll on a non-stick aluminum pan or use oil spray to prevent the roll from sticking.
For topping, sauce mayonnaise and sriracha mixed and put in the squeeze bottle. Put sauce on top of roll and air fried 350 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes.
Ready to serve. Thanks for watching from Callie. I'm happy cooking.